G'day everybody, it's Shannon from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove a Nissan D40 radio. Now, one of the symptoms you may be having is nothing on the display, just a blank red screen. That's something that Supertech Electronics can repair. The tools you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Okay, let's get started. First part we're going to remove is this part here. That just pops up, and we'll pop that aside. And we're going to remove the gear knob as well. Press the button down and just move it out of the way. Okay, and this little section here. That pops down, and that will expose a little metal clip. That will need to come off. Be careful not to lose it. And then the whole gear knob comes off. Now, next part to get out is this part here, and it is just held in with clips again. And it sort of folds under the rest of the dash. And we'll pop that aside for the time being. This part here is held in with clips again, and we'll use our plastic metal spudger to get under it, to give us something to grab, like that. Same with the other side. And then the whole part will come off as a whole. There we go. And that whole part will come off, and once again that can just lie down there for the time being, and that will expose 1, 2, 3, 4 screws we'll need to undo. So it's worth mentioning at this stage that make sure before you unplug it from the electrical connections at the back that you do have a security code to get back into it, because once it's reinstalled it will ask for a security code, a 4-digit pin. Okay, now that we've undone the screws, we can go ahead and remove the electrical connections, and most of those just come out like that, and that unit is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.